Hey gamers, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the MOJHON, formerly known as the brand BIGBIGWON Blitz2, a multi-platform controller for PC, Switch, Android, and more. It brings features like 2000 Hz polling, mechanical buttons, and drift-resistant joysticks, all designed to give you a sharper, faster gaming experience. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. Opening up the box of the Blitz2, here's what you get. The controller itself, with textured grips and RGB accents. A braided USB-C cable for wired play and charging. A 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for low latency connection. In some editions, you'll also find extra joystick caps and even an alternative D-pad for customization. Right away, the controller feels solid in hand. The weight is balanced, the materials don't feel cheap, and the design has that gamer vibe with LED highlights. It gives a strong first impression of being built for performance. Key features. Joysticks, TMR tech. The standout feature here is the TMR joystick system. It's built to last longer and is way less prone to drift compared to traditional sticks, giving you more precise movement in every game. Mechanical buttons. Every ABXY button, bumper and trigger uses mechanical microswitches. They're clicky, responsive, and give you that fast, tactile feedback gamers love. Polling rate. When wired, it supports up to 2000 Hz polling, meaning your inputs register almost instantly. Latency drops to as low as 5 milliseconds. Wireless with the dongle is also quick, while Bluetooth is a bit slower, but still usable. Customization. On the back, you've got 4 extra buttons, M1 through M4, and all of them can be remapped. Through the companion app, you can set macros, adjust stick dead zones, calibrate the gyro, and even play with RGB effects. Gyroscope. There's also a built-in gyro sensor. Once calibrated, it's great for motion aiming, especially if you're on Switch or like motion control for shooters. Gameplay test. In shooters, the Blitz2 feels super responsive with tight aiming. Fighting games benefit from the crisp D-pad, perfect for clean diagonals. Platformers are snappy, thanks to the clicky buttons. The only limitation is in racing titles. The triggers are digital, so you don't get gradual acceleration or braking, like you would with analog triggers. Conclusion. The BIGBIG. One Blitz2 isn't just another gamepad. It's built to give you the edge. With drift-proof sticks, lightning-fast input, and mechanical precision, it delivers a competitive feel you won't find in standard controllers. While it skips analog triggers, everything else is tuned for speed, accuracy, and control. If your focus is on shooters, fighters, or action-packed games, the Blitz2 easily stands out as one of the best choices in its class. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.